Hello, thanks very much for joining me. This is Engineer Taha Khalil and we're talking today about some safety tips. Today's safety tips about 10 ways to prevent slips, trips and falls in your workplace area. Slips, trips and falls, or what sometimes they call it STF. This is one of the underestimated causes of accidents in work areas, and believe it or not, it's a common thing either in factories or in offices or in warehouses. One of the common causes of accidents, and it comes in the top of the list, is what? Slip, trip and falls. And the effect of slips and trips and falls is very devastating. It might lead to fatality, God forbidden, or broken bones, or even laying in the hospital for many months. So here are 10 ways to prevent STF, slip, trip and fall. Number 1, clean up any spill immediately. Don't wait. If there is any spill in the workplace, don't wait. Barricade, put a signage, clean it immediately. Yeah, don't wait. So this is the first one. The second one is good housekeeping. Remove any cluttered material, any unwanted material. Have a good tidiness, good cleanness in the workplace. Believe me, housekeeping is one of the vital few things. If you have a very good housekeeping, you have a very good safety. There will be no accidents. Take it like that. Good housekeeping means zero accidents. So number 2 is good housekeeping. Number 3, very simple thing, something maybe you have not thought about. Stairways. Stairways, handrails. So question for you, do your stairways have a handrail? Are you using it? Believe me, many of the accidents are because of the people are not using the handrails, putting their hands in their pockets while going down or reading on the paper or whatever, yeah? And the result, falling from the top. So please keep them clean from any obstacles, the stairs, and use the handrails and keep the stairs area well lit. So use the handrails. Number 3, signage. If there is any pit hole, if there is uneven surfaces in the work area, put a signage so people will be aware of any obstacles in the working area, and they will be attained while working. So number 5, a very simple thing again, very simple tip, using a footwear like safety shoes or any appropriate safety shoes for the working area. Safety shoes, normally it has something called the traction, the friction traction in the bottom, and this will be anti-slip, so it will prevent slip. Use it. Use the footwear. This is number 5. Number 6, and this is very common things, especially in the offices. If they want to reach out for something in the top, they will use chairs, they will use desks and what have you. Don't use chairs or stools. Use safe step ladder or safe stool. Yeah. Number 6 is steps and tools. I talked about it. Number 7 will be don't have spaghetti in the office. You might ask, what's the spaghetti? By spaghetti, I mean those electrical cords, electrical cables on the floor, network cables. You'll find this is very common things when you go to the offices. You'll find a lot of electrical cables untied, yeah, and the result will be what? A trip hazard. So please tie them up, put them clearly there in the cable trays. This will have, will help to reduce the risk of trip. Number 8, check your working area. The working area should be away from any pit holes, any uneven surfaces and what have you, yeah? And as soon as you have something, mark them out so people will be attend to it, and they will avoid falling there. Number 9, use something called the slippery mattresses. I'll give an example. Ablution area, wet floors near the bathrooms, all those areas. Normally these are slippery areas. So these anti-slip mattresses, anti-slips mats are very good way for preventing slippery floors. The last one, and very simple, is having a good lighting. Yeah, normally areas with inadequate light, like dim areas like warehouses for example, it will have a lot of accidents. So don't underestimate adequate lighting. Have enough lighting so people can see their pathways and they can prevent trips. So these are very simple 10 tips. If we use them, what will be the result? The result will be very simple. There will be no accidents. And we have to do, and of course, as a result, there will be no cost. Yeah. So always it's better to be proactive. They say prevention is better than cure. So have a survey, be proactive in your working area, do a kind of spotting the hazards in the working area, and remove any causes of slips and trips. And don't forget, good housekeeping means good safety, means no accidents. So be proactive and you will be safe. And if you need more information, please reach out. We will be very glad to help you and assist you. Yeah. Thanks very much indeed for giving us the time to talk to you, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks very much indeed. See you. Ciao.